So that's what transmutation is, the ability to
improvise your way to the groundlings. You want to get out, you want to get anywhere. Those are the lines.
And that's your woman voice?
That's my woman voice.
So cool. You have any movie posters?
Greta Thunberg!
I'm trying to, be healthier.
No, I want the real answer, Fred. Don't bullshit me. Fish again. It fucking fish again, okay? Tell me about that.
We're just waiting for John to get in the room. What's the craziest thing you ever said in an elevator?
The craziest thing I ever said in the elevator was, I farted.
You did make the transition from Hollywood Squares to Match Game, and let me ask you that, was it easier having...
who are biologically predisposed, I would say to extrasensory perception could really...
Well,
and then there was the guy after him.
Ray Combs. You ever met a Jehovah's Witness? Is there anything you'd like to plug or mention?
What it really means is the transmutation. Right? Yeah, like Jimmy Falcon having linguistics and eggs in the wild, wild west.
That's right. Now, do you like soft drinks? You don't drink soft drinks? I bet you don't.
I don't drink. I don't.
No sugar.
No sugar. No, none of that stuff.
That's incredible.
I try to stay light. I don't eat rice, bread, because I need energy. Boy, killing it, boy, killing it.